Are you ready?
I think so.
My God, oh my God!
Let's go, let's push ourselves.
Wait a minute. Push your...
I could be anywhere, doing anything, seeing anyone, but why are you in my head? Now I second guess every second thought where the setup is for how your name gets involved. But I'd rather be with you. Oh, I'd rather be with you.
Hey guys, yeah, I'm here now in London to see my friends. We're going to River Thames. Hey guys, we're going to Thames River and where are we going?
Kayak!
Kayaking! Cause we can kayak.
Kaso isa lang yung paddle na. We only have one paddle.
Why do you have only one?
Because we're just testing it out, and if we enjoyed it, we're gonna buy another paddle.
Okay.
That's why the other day, when we did kayak, a lot of people was laughing at us. They said, I'm a passenger princess.
Oh, really?
We're gonna
Tinatawanan
try
nila
it.
ako kasi it's only Tom who's paddling. And I was just there lying down, chilling.
So we're gonna try this kayaking. We're here now. River Thames. Is it Thames or Thames? Thames? Is it Thames Link?
Yeah.
Thames Link. What a frick! Are you joking? Person under the yacht.
Said it in slow motion like
Oh my
Oh
god.
no! Sinatranslate niya sa akin yung taong lupa.
Ah, no.
They want the trans...
Show me your skills. Yeah. So it's a great day today here in London. Thames Link. Thames Link? Thames River ang bobo. Bobo ka.
Thames Link?
Thames Link? Is that a train?
Is
And
that a train?
I know. So this is the Thames River. You can see there's some boats over there. Yeah. How long have you been doing this kayak thing? Your second time? Sige na, sige na. Hola mga taong lupa. Hoy, kalbong lupa.
We need to wipe it.
That's the underneath, right?
Hindi, yan yung kuha. May tissue lang dito.
Hi, Danny. And then, this is the way you do it here in London.
Diyan ka upo eh. Diyan ka upo.
Hello, London. We are now here at River Thames Link and we're gonna have some fun. This is my first time to do kayak. I'm with my friends and later on we're going to Richmond Park to see some deers. Yeah, as you can see, this guy, that Calvo guy over there, is our tour guide. We're gonna interview them. Hi, ma'am. Is this your first time?
No. No, not really.
Is this your first time?
No, I just did the kayak last Friday, so it's good. I enjoyed it.
She owns the Kayak Crystal Clear Boracay. We're almost done. Thank you, Calvo. Thank you, Ina. Guys, we're so lucky because we only have one paddle, but we saw a paddle here. Oh my god, we're just gonna use this one. I just clean it with what do you call this? Wet wipes. And we're almost done. Excited as F. Oh my god. Okay, are you ready? My God, oh my God!
Let's go, let's push ourselves.
Wait a minute. Push your... Come on, Servidora. To your right, please. And then straight. Oh my God. Ooh.
No, grab it. Grab it. It's all going off. Ruined my video. Clash, clash. You scratched it, you gotta pay for it now. It's yours.
Kasi sabi ko kaya anong sa'yo na part yung may mga ganito.
Sa park?
Sa part ng ano location nila. Recently nyo na ito discover.
Sila ito na sila kami dito. Lagi na namin nakikita yung mga nagpapasok dito. Kaya nga, nung nakita niyo kami na nag-stay sa lugar, kasi pag naglalakad kami rito, nakikita mo yung park dito.
Ang pinalagan yan.
Para next time sabi.
Where are we going, Tom?
To the car park.
And where are we now? Oh my God, this is so weird. The car park. He's a comedian. Kasi Kalbo. Oh my God! Dear! Hey guys, we are now here at the Richmond Park. We are just, it's a little bit windy, I'm sorry. So we're just looking for somewhere to chill. Look at that, oh my God. I'm always OA. Yeah, so this is the park. We saw some deer earlier, oh my God. They're so cute, like 10 of them. There's a lot of bikers here. And then, oh, hello there. Oh my God. Yeah. So, she was my kayak mate earlier. Did you had fun? We almost got drowned.
We almost flipped, but it's okay.
Yeah.
It's, yeah, let's charge it.
Let's charge it. 100% charge or full charge or what? So, we're just looking for somewhere to chill. Oh my God. What are you holding?
It's
LV bag.
It's an LV bag.
Checkered LV.
Kalbo! Where are you going?
I don't know, forward.
Forward, move forward. Yeah, that's the motto. Move forward. Yes. Oh my God. Shh, guys, huwag kayo maingay kasi we don't have to disturb them. Oh my God. This is so National Geographic Channel. Look at that. Wait a minute. We have to crawl, girls. Oh no. Come on, let's go. Kalbo, don't be loud. They're gonna run, motherfucker. Wait. Guys, welcome to Kenya. Oh my God. Welcome to Africa. Sambinambina. Wait, I'm gonna show you the deer. Oh my God. Deer from the wild. Oh, there's some river here. I wish you can. I'm gonna zoom it. I'll try to zoom it. Oh my God, no. It's on the wrong way.
These are their poops, right?
Oh my God. Can you see the deers? So cute. So there's a stream here. I think this is where the deers are drinking. Oh no! But it's so amazing. Oh my god. I saw some deers. I've been looking for this deers all day and I found them. Oh my god, guys. This is so exciting. It feels like I'm in Africa. Oh my god. I wish I have a bike now, like I can do some biking today. But yeah, this is so good. We were just having a little hike and a trek. The weather is so good. I hope that it's always summer here in the UK so we can enjoy the weather. You know, I'm from the Philippines and I'm an Asian, so wait a minute. The deers are there. I can still see them. Honey, can we eat the deer? Honey! Bobo! I caught you on my camera. You wanna eat the deer, huh? Wait lang. Okay, maingay kasi dito na tayo. I can see the deer now. Sobrang OA mo, Charlo. Okay, so OA. Andun na yung mga deer. Oh my god, the Bambi is here. What the fuck? Andito na kami, malapit na kami sa mga deer. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, be quiet. The deers are here. Oh my god. Please don't run. I wanna have a photo. Please be friendly with me, please. Oh my god. They're here now, they're here. Oh my god. So amazing. Guys, these are real. Oh my god. Bambi Puentes. Oh my god. Come on. Oh! They're not gonna run me off. Oh my god. I saw some deers. It's so cute and amazing. Okay, yeah, so I think they found somewhere to sit down now. Oh my god. There. Look at that. Oh my god. It's giving this vibe. Guys, I am seeing more of these deers. I'm gonna show you now. They were on a deer hunting. Look at that. Oh my god. Puro na lang ako, oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Sobrang therapeutic. Oh my god, look at that. Andyan lang sila sa may likod natin. I can just like almost feel them. Wait, let's go. Let's go more near. Oh my god. Nadi-disturb sila eh. Pero andyan na sila. They're just there looking at me. Oh my god. It's like 40 of them. Deers looking at me. Hello. Oh my god, so sweet. $600. Cheers! Tagay! Kaso madidemonetize tayo sa kanta.
I could be anywhere, doing anything, seeing anyone, but why are you in my head? No second guess, every second thought, where the setup is, for how your name gets involved. But I'd rather be with you. I could be anywhere, doing anything, seeing anyone, but why are you in my head? Now I second guess every second thought with a setup is.
Hey guys, so we're gonna have a staycation here in Letchworth Hall Hotel. So this is the view. We just had some swimming earlier, and yeah, oh my god, it's kidding. This is the room. It's quite big, but there's a problem with the air condition. It's dripping, so we're gonna change this room.
I could be anywhere, doing anything, seeing anyone, but why are you in my head? Now I second guess every second thought where the setup is, but how your name gets involved. But I'd rather be with you. Oh, I'd rather be with you. I've been everywhere, doing everything.
Hey guys, July so far. Oh my god. This is from Lululemon, and I just used it again. I got it last year, but we have to protect our prettiness. Wow.
I could be anywhere, doing anything, seeing anyone, but why are you in my
So hot.
head? Now I second guess every second thought where the setup is, but how your name gets involved. But I'd rather be